Okay, Physics 11s, we're gonna try to explain the Humpty Dumpty number one. But it's like number one F, I think, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's the one where it asks about the third second. I just want to make sure that this is getting covered. I think it is. So it's a bit of a funnily worded question. So it's asking how far he falls in the third second, right? Okay, so let's say he falls off here, t equals 0 at the top. And then when the time is 1 second, he's fallen this far. Then he goes a little further when t equals 2, and further than that when t equals 3. It's kind of weird, but this is the first second. It's funny words, but this is the second second. You can see why it's confusing. Second. And this is the third second. So what you want to do to find the distance in the third second, you want to say, what's my displacement at t equals 2? And then find the displacement at t equals 3, and then subtract the 2. Does that make sense? So you can use your, which formula would you use for this? You can use this formula, I think, will work well. Because the VI is 0, right? From the falling. So if you want to know where he is at 2 seconds, you're going to use VI is 0, and then the VIT becomes nothing. So you solve for this, and what's my acceleration here?
It's like 9.8.
Very good, Connor. So my A here equals, you can use negative 9.8, and then this will be negative, it's down, or you can just use positive 9.8, and then it'll just give you the downward displacement. So you want to punch in 2 here at 9.8, calculate your displacement, and then punch in 3 for t, calculate the displacement, and then subtract the answer from 2. So you're going to have, you could call this d2 and d3, and you're going to have d3 minus d2 equals d2 to 3, I guess you would call it. Strange question. I'll probably never ask you a question like that on a test or a quiz, but just so you understand what's going on there. What's the answer? Okay, go and try to do this yourself. Pause it, go do it yourself, and then come back and I'll show you. Okay, so how do we find D2?
So we're going
We're going to use this, yeah? VI is 0, so the VIT is gone. And you're going to punch in a 2 there, okay? So, well, let's find D3 first. That's going to be half times 9.8 times 3 squared, right? So can you if you got a calculator there?
I got my phone.
I have a calculator. So this is going to be 9 times 9.8, or half of 9.8, which is 4.9. You can figure out which way. So this looks like 44 meters. D2 is going to be a half times 9.8 times 2 squared. So that's going to be 4 times 9. So that's going to be 19.6. And so at 3 seconds, you're at 44 meters. So this is 44 meters down. And what we just calculated was D2 which is 19.6. So if we do 44 minus 19.6, that'll give us the distance traveled during that third second. So that's going to be 44 minus 19.6, which is 24.4, I think. If you don't get exactly the right answer, if it's a little off, don't worry about that, rounding error or whatever. But it should be close to that. What does the answer say? Did I get it right?
Yeah, it says 25.
All right, perfect. That's that for Humpty Dumpty number F.